When's your next Friday payroll? Let's figure it out. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. That'll be the discussion in this tutorial. Let's get started. How about we take a look over here on the right? We're going to see why we use the ceiling function and Excel's date and time and the way it works. What we're going to do is compute the next biweekly payday from date. Here are some random dates. Hit F9, and you're going to see we just have a random date. Using the ceiling function, we can determine the next payroll. How? This formula relies on the ceiling function, which adjusts numbers so that they add up to a specified multiple. You're saying, what? Yeah. Well, this is because of the way that dates are handled in the 1900 date system that is set as the default in Excel. In this system, the first day of the year is represented by the number 1, which is equivalent to the date Sunday, January 1st, 1900. In this particular system, the first Friday of the month is day number 6. The second Friday of the month is day number 13. And the second Saturday of the month is day 14. It follows from this that each and every second Saturday that will occur in the future will be evenly divisible by 14. The formula uses this fact to figure out the second Saturday, then subtracts 1 to get the previous Friday. Pretty nifty, huh? Well, how does this work? We're going to use this ceiling function. Use ceiling B5 plus 1, 14 minus 1. Don't go in and try to massage this. It is an internal capability that, as stated over here on the right, this is how it works. Internally, it's looking at 14 days from a specific start date, and then it's subtracting 1. In other words, it's finding that Saturday, this ceiling, and then subtracting 1. See, here's some numbers. What it's doing is it's subtracting. There's a 2-day difference here. It's still recognizing January 5th as the next payroll. Here you can see 2029. It matches up here. Here, Saturday, June 6, 2029, when's the next payroll? Well, that's 13 days forward. Why? Because the previous Friday was the last payroll. So then the next payroll is going to be 14 days forward minus 1 using the ceiling function. I'm not going to go into the internals. You can read this over if you want to compute it yourself. There are some tools within Excel that the computer engineers, the really smart computer engineers, came up with this calculus, all right? It's kind of nifty. And for you HR people, throw that into your tool chest.